In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Word read your document. The steps I'll go through will ensure you have a seamless experience using Microsoft Word 2005, particularly if you're looking to give your eyes a break or enhance your proofreading process with auditory feedback. Firstly, let's start by launching Microsoft Word 2005. Once you've got the application open, you'll want to open the specific document that you'd like to be read aloud. It might be a report, an essay, or even a long email draft. Getting it open is straightforward. Just navigate to the right file, and you're ready for the next step. Now, here's where the magic happens. Microsoft has a feature known as the Immersive Reader, which is particularly helpful for those who prefer auditory learning or simply want to listen to their text. You're going to head over to the top menu, find the View tab, and under this tab, look for Immersive Reader. Once you click on it, your document will transform for a more focused, distraction-free reading experience. Once you're in the Immersive Reader view, locate and click on the Read Aloud option. This feature will start reading your document out loud, which is great for catching errors or just taking in your writing in a different way. Whether you're multitasking or relaxing, this feature brings your document to life through sound. As you listen, feel free to experiment with the customizable settings to suit your preferences and needs. You can adjust the voice to find one that you find most pleasant to listen to. This might be a male or female voice, or perhaps a specific accent that helps you focus better. There's also an option to control the reading speed. Whether you prefer a slower pace to catch every word or a faster one to keep you engaged, the choice is yours. Lastly, if you're someone who benefits from visual adjustments, you can tweak the text spacing and even use highlighting to follow along with the words as they're being read. These adjustments help enhance comprehension and can be especially beneficial for proofreading or deep reading. Remember, Immersive Reader in Microsoft Word 2025 isn't just about auditory reading, it's about creating an environment that suits your reading needs best. It's an excellent tool for a distraction-free experience, helping you engage with your document in a more interactive and supportive way. So there you have it, folks. By leveraging these simple steps, you can make Microsoft Word 2025 read your document aloud, enhancing both your productivity and ease of use. Perfect your setup and let Microsoft Word do the reading for you. Thanks for joining me today and happy listening.